What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install Epic Games on your Windows 11 PC. Now this could be an actual desktop PC or a laptop. As long as it's running Windows 11, here's how to install the Epic Games client. So first things first, open your favorite web browser. And then you can do a quick Google search of Epic Games. And then click on either the first result that says store.epicgames.com or directly on the website epicgames.com. Alternatively, in your browser, you can type in the address of epicgames.com directly. So epicgames.com, type that in, the direct URL, hit enter, and it should take you directly to the website. Also, I'll leave a direct link to the website down in the description below. Anyway, on the website, go to the top right corner and click on the download icon. And then choose where you want to save the Epic Games installer. I'll save mine in the downloads folder. So I'll click on downloads and click on save, and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, go ahead and click on it, or you can navigate to the downloads folder or wherever you chose to download and double click on it from there. Anyway, let me just close this File Explorer window and the browser. So we are left with the Epic Games installer wizard. So here you can leave everything as it is unless you have a special particular need. That's when you need to change this. But for most people, leave it like that and click on install. Then of course, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. They might ask again if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Again, click on yes. And it's now installed, but before we can use, Epic Games will want to download the latest update. So give it time to download the latest update. Once it's done, it will launch Epic Games. And now, before you can use Epic Games, you have to sign in with your Epic Games account. If you don't have one, click on sign up. If you have one, or if you normally use your Facebook or Google or whatever other account you use to sign in, go ahead and select whatever you use. Personally, I have a standalone Epic Games account, so I'll click on that. And then I'll put in my email address and my password. Now, in case Windows Defender Firewall blocks some features of this app, you need to allow access because that's the only way it can run smoothly. Epic Games is a safe environment to install and play games. So again, go ahead and sign in. Once you enter your email address and your password, if it's your own personal computer, then you can go ahead and select Remember Me and then click on Login Now. And if you enter the correct username and password, you'll be signed in, and Epic Games Launcher is now ready for you to buy and install and play free and paid games. You can see I'm already getting notifications about new games and new releases, but basically Epic Games Launcher is now installed and ready to use. And that's basically how to download, install, and set up the Epic Games Launcher on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.